We all use money in our daily basis. This has become the most important part of our life. Without this, we almost can't survive in this modern world. We use money for almost everything, like to buy foods, to buy clothes, and to fulfill our daily needs. But do you know there are some interesting facts about money? So today in this video I'm gonna share 10 interesting facts regarding money or currency. So without wasting time, let's start. In 1862, the first $2 note was issued. It's interesting to note that during most of history, $2 bills were seen as unlucky and disliked. Five of the 47 individuals that appear in the renowned John Trumbull painting Declaration of Independence are missing from the version on the reverse of the bill. Therefore, even though the $2 note has been the focus of many money-related conspiracies, the main issue here may be who was excluded from the final design. According to a research by Yugang Zhuo in 2009, who was a chemist of the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth, finds out that between 85% and 95% of currency in circulation contains residues of cocaine. Bills always contained traces of cocaine in Detroit, Los Angeles, Miami, Boston, and some other big cities. Compare that with China and Japan, where the percentages were significantly lower at only 20% and 13% respectively. Now this fact is very important. There are so many of you guys whose money gets damaged accidentally or gets torn apart. Your money might be redeemed at full value by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. You need to possess more than half of the original note along with any applicable security features. In order to be eligible for the redemption, you may also be eligible if you possess less than half of the note but can demonstrate how it was torn apart and that the pieces were lost or were destroyed. Today, we are accustomed to seeing images and faces on our money. However, Liberty and the bald eagle were shown on early American coins instead of the portraits of well-known people. That's because the British printed images of the monarchs on their money, and Americans did not want to be reminded of that after gaining their independence. The government started redesigning the $100 note in 1996, along with other notes in the years that followed to be better protected against forgery. This was the first significant change in 67 years. The $1 bill, on the other hand, is so infrequently faked that there aren't even any plans to redesign it. Instead, the 2015 Omnibus Spending Bill made it illegal to alter the bill as a concession to the vending machine industry, which would have to undergo an expensive overhaul if the $1 bill were changed.